Today, I will show you an app in Canva that you can create animations like this. Let's dive in. Click Apps, search for Speed Paint. Upload an image. Let's try no color first. Check this box to add the hand effect. Now let's try with color fill. Let's use another image to show what does this fade out effect works. First check the result without fade out effect so we can compare later. You can see that the color doesn't match the original image. Now let's try the fade out effect. Now it's the fade out effect phase that eventually matches the original image. That's all for today. See you next time.